Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through on how to update KYC in Bob app. So to update your KYC in the Bob World app, which is the Bank of Burundi, follow the steps, and in this video I'm going to provide you some necessary methods at which you can use to update your KYC in the app. So let's get started with the first method, which is to update on the Bob World app. So to do that, open the Bob World app and log in with using your credential, then tap on service or profile settings, which depends on your app version. Then select the update KYC or KYC submission, then upload the required KYC documents, which is the hard PAN, passport, or other accepted ID proofs. Then review the details and submit the request. Then after that, you may receive the OTP for verification. Enter it to confirm, and after that, once approved, you will receive a confirmation using SMS. And after that, you can also update using the Bob World branch, which is the BOB branch. So visit your nearest Bank of Burundi branch, then request a KYC update form and fill in the required details, and attach self-attested copy of KYC document with a add AR and the PAN and voters ID and lot more like that. And after that, submit the form to the bank executive. Then the update will be processed and you will receive a confirmation SMS. And also you can also try this, which is the other method, which is update KYC using email. So check if the Bob allows KYC update using the email. Then you can also contact the customer support. Then if allowed, scan your KYC document and send it to them to the bank official email, including your account number and their registered mobile number in the email. Then wait for confirmation from the bank regarding your update, and that's it. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.